With Christmas season and colder temperatures here in Florida on the way, COVID cases are up 90% across the country. That is according to the Associated Press.
Doctors are warning the public to get their booster shots, but according to a new study, only about 40% of adults say they plan to do so.
Today I spoke with a local doctor at U of Health about concerns that Americans are putting their guards down, perhaps, against COVID-19.
There's a spike. We're going to sound the alarm fairly quickly because we want everybody to be aware.
Dr. David Caro is an emergency physician with U of Health, where they've only seen a small increase in the number of COVID cases locally. He says nationally, according to the Centers for Disease Control, Duval County and Northeast Florida are currently in areas of low transmissibility, while cases across the country are up 90%. States like Delaware, Massachusetts, and Philadelphia are experiencing an uptick, along with Midwest states like Kansas and Oklahoma. Doctors are concerned the virus is spreading at holiday parties and will spread even more with so many families preparing to travel from state to state. Medical experts worry that Floridians have become complacent because the latest COVID-19 variants have not resulted in increased hospital visits or deaths in Florida.
Absolutely can create a false sense of security. Part of the issue is just like flu, there will be variants that don't cause as harmful of side effects or serious of illness until we get a mutation in that virus. And then it becomes much more impactful and can be more serious.
Earlier this week, the Biden administration announced a COVID-19 winter preparedness plan, which includes putting more medical personnel and equipment on standby, urging Americans to get the latest COVID-19 booster, and announcing families can now order more free COVID-19 tests. Dr. Caro, however, says it's hard to get a real gauge on just how fast the virus is spreading in Florida because most people test at home and are isolating and not reporting their sicknesses to their physicians.
We're at the mercy of how extensive our testing can be and how we can track it. The information that we'll specifically rely on will be the number of people that are having to get admitted to the hospital due to their symptoms.
Medical experts say the spike in COVID cases nationally mirrors trends Americans experienced the last two winters. Only this year, the flu and respiratory illnesses like RSV are just as prevalent as COVID-19.
At the last count, we were tracking 5 major viruses that were causing significant infections throughout not just our area, but the country.
So doctors are urging people to be responsible. If you feel sick, if you have a fever, don't go to that Christmas party. And when you are in public, if you're feeling sick, wear a mask. We did check with health officials at Baptist U of Health and Baptist Point, and at this point, thankfully, the COVID case count remains low locally. If you'd like to order free COVID tests, you can call 1-800-232-0233. The hotline's open 7 days a week, or you can order online at covidtest.gov.